Hello, hello. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of my new electric snake by a company called Garvee. Hello again. So I got myself electric snake. This is something that from time to time I need to use. This time and at this point I'm not gonna use it, but usually at least once a year at my mom's house I have a situation where the septic pipes are kind of clogged. So I'm not gonna do full cleaning today. I'm just gonna show you how this works and what's included. So basically it's self-explanatory. You need to use the snake to clean whatever clog you have in the pipes. In the package, you received electric snake. So this is the snake, and it has a drill attached to it with on and off switch. It comes very handy with a pair of gloves, and we have different attachments, and then we have extended warranty and manual. If you've ever used any drain cleaner, you know that sometimes it's very hard to go through certain parts of the your pipes where you're going. Sometimes you may even have roots penetrating through the pipe. So then in this case, it is very hard to go through such a thing. So fortunately, we have something that is going to take care of it. So this is one attachment that is going to take care of the roots. We have different attachments, as you can see, for different kinds of diameter of pipes. This is probably the most common that I would use. This is something that would grind also at the end, and this is something that I've never used before, but it's also uses very helpful. And also we have a tip just like that. Unfortunately, the screwdriver that is included is not going to work because this is flathead, and then we have a star connection. To install the attachment, all we have to do is just remove the screw, and we have a spring washer because there's gonna be a lot of vibrations. So we're gonna put it right here, insert the attachment, and then we're going to go secure right here. And this is moving, which is great because that's what you want when you're gonna be trying to get into different positions, and this can bend. So how does this work? We have a push button that allows the power to go to the drill. If you let it go, then the drill stops. Because of that foot pedal, we can operate the machine with two hands. So let me show you how it works. So let's say we're working with the drain. I can lock the drill going into forward position, and then I'm gonna use only my foot to turn it on and off. And then if you want to retrieve, we're going to go and lock it in place. And when we're gonna be pulling, this is how we can pull it back in the spool. So the machine basically spins it whether forward or backwards, and all you have to do is just gently push it forward or back to extend it or retrieve it. The hardest part of working with manual snake is you always have to go and push it and turn it at the same time. And that's the hardest part. So this way we can just use this snake to rotate, and we can just use our hand to put it back in place. So hopefully you will never have to unclog any pipes, but if you have to, this Garvee drain cleaner is a really great solution to that, and it's going to help you to do it quickly and more efficiently. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.